And we're live.
We are live. Can you tell where from?
Yeah, I think so.
So, welcome. We are the crew from Keeler Gardens, Gina and Ed behind the camera.
Hello.
We are here today with one of our regular programs helping connect you with nature. Keeler Gardens is over on the north side of Chicago. We're at Keeler Avenue in Addison, just north of Addison.
4 blocks that way and 1 block that way. Just in case people needed directions.
And if you've not seen our space before, this is not it.
Nope.
Keeler Gardens is on a public sidewalk. It's a parkway and front yard garden space for your enjoyment in a variety of ways, and also with programs to help connect you with nature in different ways. Now, connecting with nature often means being outside, sitting under a tree, being in the forest, going for a drive in the country. We connect you with nature in a variety of ways to aid in improving your urban life, community life in urban areas, because we don't often have the opportunity to take a walk through a movement when we live in an urban area. So our space on Keeler Avenue is meant to be a joy for you, a break, a respite, physically to be immersed in nature. But our programs that we offer you on a regular basis are other ways you can connect with nature. So we'll start by saying, again, we're Keeler Gardens here on Facebook. Please follow us and like us so you get notifications when we're live. We do our live videos virtually every day. Our program on Fridays is called Feature Friday. And we like Feature Friday because we get to feature groups and organizations and businesses that
Such as
today's feature, Eris Brewery and Cider House.
Can you say that again looking at the camera?
Eris Brewery and Cider House, because I gotta be loud because of the traffic.
Yes, you do.
So, we are on site at Eris today. Now, Eris is right on Irving Park Road in Trip, which is only about 4 blocks away from Keeler Gardens. One of the reasons why we are connected with Eris. My name is Gina as an individual, as a person. Although Keeler Gardens is our passion and I am the co-founder, we do work.
Can we walk closer to the building?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
We do work to bring our programs to you from Keeler Gardens, which is a non-profit. I do have to work. So one of the jobs that I did have was I worked at Eris as a bartender. And before situations were turned a little upside down, I was working on a regular basis. And since about March, we obviously didn't
Sue's
need
watching.
bartenders. Hey Sue, I don't know if you've ever been here, Sue. You should come and visit. Well, right
Once
now,
it reopens.
Yes, right now it's takeout. They do howlers and a lovely takeout menu. But the reason we're featuring Eris today is because they have asked me as an individual and in conjunction with Keeler Gardens to improve their nature space. So if you look on the side of the building there, they have this really lovely long garden. We've cleaned it up, we've moved some things around, we've added a few things, and we're going to take it through the season and see how we can make this a lovely spot for people just to walk by. But the exciting thing that Eris is doing right now, because they, again, asked for my participation, is we are going to build a kitchen garden for Eris. So,
What is the kitchen garden?
there you go. Kitchen garden is it's basically an herb or vegetable garden. It's a space that you dedicate to things you'll use in your kitchen most of the time. Herb gardens and flowers, herbs, leaves, roots can be used to eat. They can be used for decoration. Flowers are often edible, and they can also be used in teas and medicinal drink. So what happened was, Eris was fortunate enough to receive 2 really massive containers, and they asked for my help, our help, and what should we do? How should we utilize these to the best that we can for both Eris and the community? And we recommended a kitchen garden, and they were very excited. So each planter is about 4 by 6 footprint and 2 feet deep, which means we can control the soil. So we'll have 2 feet of really good soil that we'll be growing in, so we know that the soil is sound, so we can eat the things we grow in. And we started some seeds about a week or 2 ago, and I can give you an idea of what those seeds are. Can you bring the camera?
Yeah, I'm going to put my back to the traffic.
Okay.
Hopefully that'll...
So basically, we're giving you a little excerpt of what we're growing here, okay? So we started out with all of these in smaller little peat pellets or pucks, and I don't have any of them to show you, I'm sorry.
That's it. Cancel. Cut.
But here is a sampling. This is about half of what we're growing. We've got radishes, we've got cauliflower, sunflower, all different kinds
Walk around that way and
all
sorry.
different kinds of tomatoes, like 3 or 4 different kinds of tomatoes. We have here green basil. Inside we have opal basil, which is a golden reddish color. We have a lot of lettuce, and inside we have more tomatoes and peas, and as I mentioned, the basil. This is borage, which is an edible flower. We were trying to do marigolds and they weren't as successful, so we might give up on those and try something different.
Sue said that she's wanted to check this place out for a while.
Oh, how exciting. So,
yeah.
Okay, so Eris has a to-go menu. Can
yeah.
you see that? So you can pick up liquids, ciders and beer, Monday through Saturday from noon to 8, and you can do food Wednesday through Saturday from 4 to 8, but also Saturday brunch from noon
And
on.
it's a block off the Metro line.
It's really easy. So I mean, you can even
and the
drive
blue
it
line.
now. There's no traffic
Yeah.
anymore. There's very little traffic now. So and it's great. They'll you know, you can do curbside and it's very safe. And one of the other reasons why we wanted to feature Eris was not only what they're doing for the community with this garden and with their message, but for so many reasons. It's a woman-owned brewery, which is, I think, the only one in Chicago. They also have
And cider.
Cider, beer and cider. They've also done a lot for the neighborhood. Look at this building.
So,
They took this entire building.
and what did this building used to be?
It started out as a Freemasons, and then it was a church. And they took the entire building and they brought the windows back to the original design. They've used it for architectural.
Hey, Maggie.
Hey, Maggie. Maggie's just down the street.
Yep.
They've done a lot of work to maintain the architecture and improve, bring business and jobs, like for me, to the community. Can you imagine what would have happened if this building hadn't been restored?
It is a beautiful. I was here for the architectural.
Their food and drink is unique and special, and the care that goes into it is extraordinary. And since things have shifted with mandates and the change,
Go back this way.
Eris has been incredibly generous from the heart to their employees. They treated their employees very well. Not only generous with trying to get as many people back to work quickly as possible, but they offer us simple things like if we need a food in a spot. So Eris as a restaurant, the owners, Michelle and Katie, as people, the management, the chef and his team, it's really an incredible place. And not only are we happy to be as a wonderful local business, but also from a green perspective. We do recycle here, and this kitchen garden is going to be in Parkway on trip, so everyone from the neighborhood can see how they're growing, see how they're going. And Gina at Keeler Gardens.org. If you're ever interested in an update, we're happy to give it to you. As soon as those plants are installed, we're so happy to give you a tour and show you what's growing and what it looks like and how it goes from seed to.
Maggie agrees. She says Michelle and her team are awesome.
They really are incredible.
One of her favorite places to eat and have some cider.
So as soon as we open again, we're really looking forward to having everyone come visit. But until then, you can get the takeout and you can participate. Once these planters are ready, you can walk by.
Let's walk down this way as we're wrapping up. I want to show off all the work that you and the team have done here.
Some of the things that we've done is some simple pruning just to get things better organized, cutting out dead branches. We've moved some entire trees.
What is this?
That's a red bud.
It is.
Yeah, isn't it lovely?
It is.
Yeah. And so we moved some shrubs around, we split some things out.
Wish we had before pictures to show what this looked like.
It actually wasn't bad. It just looked empty.
Yeah.
And the way we've moved things around, we've split some roses to fill the space in, and we've added some ground cover. We're going to give everything a chance to sort of grow and see what happens, and then we're going to keep adding. Another thing that the team is doing here from the landscaping that's really important is they're keeping the weeds down. So although the weeds are the responsibility of us because it's our space, it's preventing weed seeds from getting into the neighboring yards. We're also picking up a lot of garbage because we're on a main street. That's one of our responsibilities. We keep the area
I just want to get the, when we're all done, I want to get the front of the building, but nobody's going to be able to hear us out there because, again, this is just a wonderful, wonderful, just everything for the community. I mean, the fact that this building is here and it was the old Masons temple.
It's holding on to a lot of community history.
Yeah, next time they have any type of tour, I highly recommend it.
We will post it.
Yep.
So, this was our Feature Friday. Tomorrow is our What's in Bloom tour. It'll be a great one because of all the rain we've had. You can see all the things in bloom. And we'll tell you tomorrow about more of our programs since it's so loud and there's so much traffic here today. But once again, we're Keeler Gardens, we're in the north side of Chicago. We are a nonprofit bringing programs to improve your mental and physical health, connecting you with nature via greenery, via forestry, via people and culture also. So we'll see you tomorrow for our What's in Bloom tour, and we'll talk more about Keeler Gardens. Thank you so much for joining us, and a formal goodbye.
I'm just going to go around the corner here, and it'll be too loud to hear, so thank you for joining us. But just showing off some of this wonderful building too. All right, thanks everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.